Minister wa karibu ndene Professor KWARIRIA Kindiki na aritite nende mantu kathomba yara yarumirite ura wari minister itino kiwa rithirikari ne thiru Dr. Fred Matiang'I akiwa batena wathuri na Matiang'I inde Matiang'I ne kareti kweleza rono RWAWE rura mpithukiro irawite na ithukirine mabisa bokaria nteto ura Kindiki wite athonirie bonde nende bakethera betutiro banene thirikari neu Antone Kathenya aina nteto hii
Kagita kala gitengo ya kuthithio sonkoni boe kinae kia DCI kikugweta kwithirwa kile kitio sonkoni kile ule wale waziri wa ekaria Dr. Fred Matiang'I kumena nteto ati polisi ni jaithukite kwae utuku kumugwata waziri wa ekaria Professor KWARIRIA Kindiki ni atetelete thirikari kumena sonkoni bobo Kindiki akele idegate kwambiria ntuke ya mbele mpaka ntuke ya muthia ile Matiang'I akinyira obisini cha DCI barabarani ya Kiambu Road kitengo kia polisi nikithithiti sonkoni bobo na njira ya iguru na guteka gitanoge ku polisi ithiite kinyume na watho kana gukiuka kije ke mtu ta thirikari au kabele.
I confirm to the country that the entire investigation process in this matter has been carried out with utmost professionalism, dispassionately, and in a manner that reflects the policy guidelines of this administration of handling criminal investigations and how suspects of crime should be treated by the police.
Kuringa na waziri Kindiki mekali katamama mathirikari au kabele mathithe gwotuko kinyume na kijia ke omto na mejulite ituko.
This is a major departure from how the police have treated suspects of crime under the previous administration, especially if these suspects were politically exposed persons. Such suspects would be apprehended at night, inhumanly mishandled in the presence of family members and guests, and treated with high drama. It is the policy of this administration to treat all suspects of crime with dignity and handle them with respect to their fundamental rights and freedoms as guaranteed by the Constitution of our country.
Kindiki nelithite ati thirikari kagiteo mpumija usonkoni bwa DCI kirigamba lele.
I am informed that the DCI, having completed their investigations, have made their recommendations to the Director of Public Prosecutions. The government will equally respect the decisional independence of the DPP, and should any person be prosecuted as a result of these investigations, the government shall respect the outcome and decision of the courts.
Aidho kagita gaka waziri Kindiki amenelete kwithukirwa kwa obisi ja DCI ni atongera bango atanira azimio.
Some politicians ostensibly going to provide political solidarity to Dr. Matiang'I caused disturbances, including threats to mobilize people to forcibly access the DCI headquarters, and there is no greater demonstration of impunity than this.
Kuma nenetaga lelele waziri Professor Kindiki na utite watho kiri polisi kienda gutigire kale katalele liteka likakaile amuna kunenkanila mukana kile ana siasa.
The DCI headquarters, police stations, and all other security establishments and facilities must be respected by all persons, including politicians, their supporters, and sympathizers of suspects. Any person, regardless of their rank in society, who even attempts to illegally, unlawfully, and in an unauthorized manner access a security establishment in any security facility, that person will be dealt with ruthlessly, firmly, and decisively. It doesn't matter who they are. It doesn't matter their political affiliation.
Na kethiro gitengo kia nditango jia mwingi gikendekithia kugwatwa kwa ule wa waziri wa ikaria Dr. Fred Matiang'i kila gitigere kuonekana ni bula polisi ka mutungatira na kethiro ikithingatira migambo ya waziri Professor Kindiki. Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Beta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.